Hello again, it's me again, Diogo Veigas, and today we are going to learn how the grid, very basic grid, works in Bootstrap. First, I just got an image from Google, and I'm a thief, and I'm going to show you very fast how it does work. Simply, the Bootstrap can divide your screen, the user screen, for 12 columns. This is a row, each column is a row, you see, and each column it's a break, a white space. So, you can divide it for 12, equal 3, equal 4, equal 8, 2 of 2, 2 of 2 in here, and 1 of 4, 2 of 6, 1 of 12, or even like 1 of 8 and 1 of 4. There are a lot of ways of doing it. Another thing is that you can choose yourself how many columns it will appear from each size of the screen: phone, tablet, screen, small screen, big screen. There are a lot of sizes, okay? And you can also, that's what I'm going more into, showing you guys, when you let the Bootstrap decide which way you will start showing stuff. The easiest one, of course. So, let's start by creating a div, which will have a class called row, right? A row. The row will have as many columns as we want to. So we need to put another div, which will have the class col, and in here you just can put hello. See the hello in here? Okay, nice. Now, let me just make it, let's just put it normal so you can see the grid. And now, you want to have 2 columns. So you just put the class, another class column, and say hello. Save it. It automatically created 2 columns, right? If you inspect it, the columns are going to be responsive. It will go down when there's no more space enough. There's not enough space. You can create up to 12, right? Very simple. The concept, it's very easy, but if you don't know what I mean, you can also create more rows and create sort of a table with that. I don't know if you got the difference, but instead of col, we have col hyphen sm hyphen 3. What does that mean? We are going to have a column which will start in the small screen. There's also the smaller one. Instead of sm hyphen, you just put col 3. It would be the even smaller one, but the small is from the tablet, around tablet, okay? And now with 2 unequal sized columns. So let me just put a div in here. In div, you just put in another class called column. Instead of that only, we are going to put small to start from small screens. And we are going to put 4 as an example. And down, you can just copy it. Let me just copy, please. Then you just put 8. 4 plus 8, it's 12. Now you just put something like hello, size of 4, and size of 8, right? You can see, let me just turn on the background of this. How do I do that? Yes, okay, I know. Coral, seems fine. Okay, coral. Okay, I messed up again. Yes, let's just put in the 8th one. Okay. So, the 4th, you can imagine the column 4 of the space can be an add, and the 8th can be the main content. You could also just put 2 in here and put another 2 down of the side. Most sides can be like that. Alright, instead of size of 4, size of 2, okay? And in here you can see that size can be unequal, okay? It's very useful for many sites. Many sites put here as sort of a menu, and here adds and something like that. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's the second video of my series. The first one is in the left. Click it, right? Please. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you soon. See you in the next video.